Whoa. That's what that big one was. That one for me only?
Yeah.
And then wait, PJ.
Oh no.
Oh, wow.
Stop crazy!
Oh, Corbin, that is so cool.
Don't throw it all over me, please.
That's for Baka.
Is that cool?
Yeah?
Where are you gonna put that up at?
In his room. Definitely. I gotta do this. I gotta play with this tonight.
No, you're not.
Aww.
We still gotta make cookies.
I thought you were tired.
I don't play with this.
All right. Do we have one for Melody?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Okay, Corbin, sit down.
Oh,
Put it.
I think we might have forgotten where to put one out for Melody.
that is awesome.
Okay, sit down, Corbin.
Aw.
Yep,
all.
that's it. That's it.
What do you mean that's all?
That's just a little. What is that? What could that be?
It's a thingy. I have no idea what that is. Doesn't have anything in it.
Nope, there's nothing in it. We just got you an envelope.
Oh wait, I think there's another envelope inside the envelope. Or something like
We
that.
need to learn how to open envelopes.
Like, seriously.
That's why I opened it. I know. It's what the heck?
What does it say?
What's Ticketmaster?
Ticketmaster? Did you get tickets to something?
Oh my god. Oh!
What is it too?
It's a Taylor Swift. The Red Tour? What is that?
I think. What is the name of her new album?
Red?
So what is that?
A concert? We're going to a concert?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh!
And it's gonna be me, you, and Grandma.
Got me?
You don't like Taylor
You can
Swift.
stay home with me.
What do you say to Mommy and TJ? They give you big hugs and kisses for that.
What do you think?
I love it!
Is that cool or what?
That's awesome! Can we open this tonight?
Yeah, we'll see. Maybe.
Can we make it?
Maybe we'll try.
What about Grandma? Because Grandma helped. She
I love you, Peanut.
I wanna play with the cars on this.
We can.